potato.
You gave me a sample. Let's try it. Oh, that's very different. That's really good.
Sauce.
It's all about the sauce, yeah. Oh, that's good. I ordered somebody keep giving it to me. Oh, it's got a. It's all about this sauce, whatever that is. It's got turmeric in it, some kind of curry sauce. Grab that. You know it's good if they give you a toast to eat it with. Oh, that's so good. It's nice to find something different. It's so tiny. Oh, it's spicy too, huh? I got all of this for 60 baht. They call it one set. It's a lot. I think, I'm not 100% sure, I think this is from South Thailand. It's spicy. It's a very spicy, like a curry dipping sauce. It's really good. It's nice to find something different or unique. It's all about this sauce. It's nice to find something in the market that's different. It's not always the case. Very nice people. They must be new because they're giving out a lot of free samples. And I ended up probably on their Facebook page by now. Getting my picture done. It's all about the sauce. It's a little bit spicy. Tons of flavor. Tons of flavor. Really good. Don't know what it is, but it's good. I've never seen the bread thing done before. Ooh, that's spicy. Good. That's good. Alright guys, there it is. Something different, something unique. At least different for me. That's really nice. Nice people. Awesome market. Cool. It might be yellow, but there's a lot of red flakes in there. A lot of chilies. As always guys, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it.